This is my lawnmower. She's having trouble sputtering. I've done some minor repairs like that along the way. Just stuff. There's a new filter in there, new gas, new carburetor, whatever. New oil I just did. I just cleaned everything out, and now she's having trouble with sputtering. I haven't checked the spark plug for carbon yet, but I'm going to. But here's a little preview. If you have any ideas what this is, I'm open to it. I'm trying to figure this thing out. But yeah, let's turn this on. Yeah. It's a good way to... She's just having this problem with sputtering. I have no clue what it is, and I'm about to try and figure out before I go out and buy a new one. Because, I mean, I don't want to get a new one, and second of all, I like this model so much. It's the only model I have. So, but, yeah, I got her running. She's been sitting for about 2 years. 3 years now. 3 years. I had to see. It's been 3 years. So, yeah. Nice little thing. There's no blade on it, of course. For some odd reason, I took the blade off. Just so I can get it sharpened and tested out, take some of the strain off the engine. So, yeah, thanks for watching this. We'll take her in before it starts raining. Adios.